Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I am Nruthyamrutha. If you are new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find the previous videos links as well as my social media links. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today's tutorial video is a bit different. It is my composition on Vidya Works Kutanadam Kunjayana song's first bit. So hope you guys like it. If you haven't watched the full video of what my students have performed in the previous Onam celebrations, I'll put the link over here, go check it out, and today we are going to learn a bit from it. So let's get into video. First, we'll go down, raise our right leg up, jump, we'll do 1, 2, lift it back. Again, we'll put our legs in V shape, in bending position, we raise the toes, go down, we raise the heels, we go down, and giving the balance of our body on the left leg, raising the right leg, we go as 1, 2, 1, 2, we go as right, left, to the back. Then we turn back, again bend, we twist back and 1, 2, to the back. So we went down, raise your right leg, jump towards right, we go to the side, back, twist it, and 1, 2, to the side. So after that we go into 2 jumps, we raise our left leg and right hand. Then we do back to this side and front to this side. This we have seen already in the tutorial section. So please do watch them all so that this steps will be easy for you. So what they will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this back. After that we go as 1, tapping our right leg and twisting our body, crossing up both Padmakusha Hastas as 1, 2, 3, 4. We come towards the front for 2 times as 1, 2, 3, 4 and jump. So we go as 1, 2, 3, 4 and jump. So after we jump, we will go into the next step as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is we are tapping the left leg, then moving the right leg onto the heels, going towards it, jumping and coming back to the position the same way as we are hitting the right leg, taking back the left, bringing it to V shape and jump. We repeat the same onto the left side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you guys understood it. We do it in a speed motion as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's just the Padmakusha Hasta going into Katakamuka and coming back as Padmakusha again to Katakamuka Hasta. Then same onto the left side as well. The condition is we should be in bending position and we should always look at our hands. The posture should be correct, then only it will be looking graceful. So after that we do the thighs as the thigh, the thigh, the thigh. This step also we have seen in the tutorials before. So if you haven't seen it, just go check it. I'll put the links over the description box. So go check it and don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button to get more videos as such. After the 4 thighs, you do the thighs in a rotation. That is, the thigh, the thigh, the thigh, the thigh, the thigh, the thigh, up. This is the thigh with the legs and hands goes as open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, and up. Now let's try it with the song.